So I had these large plastic eggs that I picked up at Hobby Lobby for 24 cents back when they had Easter clearance. And I started by painting one black, and while the paint was still wet, I dipped it in this brownish, bronzy glitter and allowed that to dry. And the second one I painted in black and left it like that. I left it black. Just wanted to show a couple different options of what you can do. Now this is the top part of the egg. And I'm starting by making a handle with the jute. And then I'm just going to go around and around, covering the entire lid of the egg. I'm using hot glue periodically to help it adhere. And then when I cut the end, I made sure I glued that down so that it would not unravel. The second egg, I did the exact same thing. Started with making a hanger. Now, once these were done, I took my gold spray paint and just gave it a quick spray just to give it a little glisten. And then my black one, I did seal with Wise Owl salve. It's just wipe on, buff off, just to protect it and give it a nice sheen. And I use E6000 to connect the egg back together. And as you can see here, you have these cute acorns for the Thanksgiving fall season. You can place them in a bowl. You can hang them from a tree. Some people do fall trees. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now check us out on chalkandfancy.com.